Grab a teammate. Open the box and ensure all pieces are included. Put on gloves and let's get started with base assembly. Remove lower frames from packaging. Place front and back frame on the foundation blocks. Then place the side frame across the front and back frame. Attach them with the bolts at each corner. Remove the floor reinforcement. Insert and attach the floor reinforcement into the notch of the lower front frame, and then place floorboards down in sequence. Remove clamp bars from packaging and place on the front and back frame. Then bolt it down in all 4 places along the edge. Open packaging and take out pillars. Insert into each of the 4 corners and bolt each securely. Remove front and back frame from packaging and insert into the projection of the pillar and attach with bolts. Remove upper left and right frames from packaging and attach each to pillars with bolts. Remove the back stud from packaging. Insert the top end into the upper back frame, then insert the bottom end into the lower frame and fasten the bolt. Then attach each side stud. Remove roof panels from packaging and place the pieces down in sequence. Then, fasten with bolts to attach the frames. Remove the purl line from the reinforcement set. Place the purl line across the front and side stud and then fasten bolts to attach. Grab studs and insert them into both upper and lower frame and attach them with bolts. Insert the upper side of the front stud first, then insert the lower side. Attach with bolts at each end. Remove the doorstop from packaging. Hold the doorstop to the front stud. Now lift the sidewall with your teammate. Insert and attach panels from the inside. Insert the lower side first and then the upper side. Attach the reinforcement metal to the front pillar and cover the remaining bolt hole. Remove the fascia board from packaging and attach the front and the back of the fascia board to each side of the corner. Fasten the back fascia board and roof with bolts. Now we'll attach the door. First, attach the support material to the front door. Lift up and insert doors like figures. Follow by suspending the back door first and then the front door. And then, bolt door stop keeping 4mm gap between door reinforcement. Attach the 3 door wheel plates to the upper frame. Insert the handle and attach by turning the knob from the inside. Attach the hole of the back door halfway, leaving 5 mm of space. Push down the roller, hang the notch, and then fasten it tightly. Adjust the door by loosening the bolt. Insert the shelf support into the square holes of the wall panel, and install the board onto the ledge of the shelf support and attach it. Attach roof gap shielding A to the overlapping part of the upper back frame and the roof, and then attach roof gap shielding B to the overlapping part of the upper right frame and the roof. Next, attach lower rail cap to the lower front frame and finish by attaching keyhole blocking to the front pillar of the wing wall side. To prevent falling, make sure to attach the wall by wire or fix with the anchor plate on the ground. You can also lock it by key and just push the button to keep it safe. That's a wrap. Remember to keep your assembly manual and get in touch with us if you have any questions or issues with your new shed.